my channel, it's Miss Tay Rosé. This makeup look features none other than Profusion Cosmetics with a couple of other brands tagged in there. If you'd like to see the process as to how I achieved this oh so amazing look, please keep watching. So I know you see that there is a lot of fallout, right? So that is what I'm dealing with after my lid and crease shades. So what I'm going to do is to clean that bad boy up. I'm going to first wipe it off. Ooh, and have a mini highlight. I'm going to conceal with both concealers. I'm going to use the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Honey, followed by me using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade Golden. So you're going to see it in the next couple or so clips. put that teal shade underneath my eyes. I'm going to set the concealed part using my Makeup Revolution London Banana Powder. And this is in the shade Banana Deep. So that was yet another easy makeup look that I just did. So now moving on for the lashes. The lashes I'll be wearing for today is a pair of these Mink 3D hair lashes, and this is in the style 3D W13. You can wear any wispy lashes that you have in your makeup collection or any Mink lashes that you have in your collection as well. I'm going to pop these bad boys on, finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back at you with the lips. So I'm going with 3 products today for my lips. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips this time around using my all-time favorite MAC Cosmetics lip liner, and this is in the shade
Spice.
Followed by me going in with this beautiful MAC and Aaliyah Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Try Again. Unfortunately, this is no longer available, but if you can find any brown shade that's similar to this in your collection. And then after that, I'm going to lighten it up a little bit by using the e.l.f. matte lip color, and this is in the shade Nearly Nude. I believe this may or may not be available. I'm not sure, but make sure you check in the description bar below to determine where I got these products from. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. That is all I have for now. Please be sure to check out the previous video in the next section that's coming up next. I'll see you there. Bye!